Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share last minute tips for the upcoming IBPS SO IT Prelims. The exam is on 9th of November and now what you should keep in mind for your prelims exam. So the first thing is be aware of the exam pattern. You should be clear with which subject has how much weightage, what are the marks and the timings allocated to every subject. And second thing is you should be aware of the cutoffs, but you should not rely on them. The cutoff may vary depending upon the vacancies and the exam level, but these cutoffs can give you an idea of the trend, how much score the students have been getting vis-a-vis the vacancies. So we will discuss these two things first. The exam pattern has three subjects: English, Reasoning and Quantitative Aptitude. Remember here, English has half the weightage. The number of questions for English are 50, but marks are 25 only. Every question is of half marks. While Reasoning and Quantitative Aptitude has full weightage, each question in Reasoning is of 1 mark. Same goes for Quant. So while the total number of questions are 150, the maximum marks are 125. And the duration for each subject is 40 minutes. English language, 40 minutes. And it is possible to attempt 50 questions in 40 minutes. But for Reasoning and Quantitative Aptitude, it may be a little bit difficult to attempt all 50 questions in 40 minutes. So here you have to be careful of which questions you are going to attempt. You should not get emotional over any question. Do not spend too much time on any question. First, attempt the questions from your comfort area. Now coming to the cutoff, this has been the cutoff over the past 4 years. And you can see maximum cutoff has been very high, equal to 75.88 in 2020. If you go for sectional cutoff, in English the maximum sectional cutoff was 10.25, in Reasoning it was 11.25 and in Quantitative Aptitude it was 13.25. So be prepared accordingly. At least target this much score in every subject and you should be targeting maximum overall cutoff. Now coming to few more things that you should keep in mind. The first thing is do not panic. Be confident. You have prepared well. You have given your best and now you should go and attempt the exam without any anxiety. The second thing is attempt the questions from your comfort areas first. This I have already told you. So if you are comfortable in certain topics of Quant and Reasoning or English, attempt questions from that areas first. Look for those questions and after solving them, you can move to other areas. Do not get emotional over reasoning puzzles, over DI in Quant and waste your time. I have heard so many students coming to me regretting that they have spent 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes over a puzzle and yet they were not able to solve. This just increased the pressure, increased their stress, anxiety, and they were then panicking throughout the exam whether they'll be able to attempt sufficient questions or not. So do not get emotional. Read the questions, spend few seconds and see whether you'll be able to solve it or not. See how many variables are there, see what is required. And then if you think this question is a little bit difficult, skip the question. You can come back to it later after attempting all other questions. So in this way, you should be attempting the questions in Reasoning and Quant. Be careful. Do not waste your time over a question which you are not able to solve. Next is stay hydrated, sleep well. Before the exam, sleep well so that your brain is relaxed the next day, so that you are able to focus more on the questions and solve them quickly and efficiently. And the last thing, carry your essentials. Carry your admit card, ID proof, photograph and a pen. I may have missed something, so read out your information handout and admit card to see what all you have to carry. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. I hope you are prepared well. I hope you are scoring well in your mock test. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this email ID. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.